I don't know how many of you remember the every monster from the first Hercules cartoon, but imagine that noise right now. I've got something exciting to share with you. Would you like to see? I'm gonna show you. Excuse the mess. This is my studio space. Triceratops. So, I got a new backdrop. This is my first of 3 new backdrops. I'm very excited about it. Gotta be a bit further away from my stuff in order for it to have the right scaling effect. But this is the first of 3 new backdrops that I got because I'm just trying to figure out ways to make my pictures better. So this is my first hand painted one. So when you get it, it looks like it's hand painted. This one looks more like a photograph. And when you have it set up like so, hold on a second. See? Now it's like I'm not even in my basement anymore. Look at that. Alright, yeah, I just wanted to share this with you, and I'll make other quick videos when I get my other 2. Okay.